Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and this week I wanted to show you how to use a weight bench to do Hindu push-ups on. It's Hindu push-ups on a bench, and it looks like this. Place your weight on the bench, hinge back, dive forward, push up, squeeze your glutes, look up at the ceiling, push back, and that's it. So you're basically just using the bench as the floor. You don't have to get down on the floor. If you're not quite strong enough to do Hindu push-ups on the floor, this is a great way to lower the weight of your body, make it more accessible, but you're still getting great range of motion in your shoulders, in your elbows, wrist, and your hips, and just flowing up and down. Anyway, give that a shot. Let me know what you think. Hindu push-ups on a bench. Great for your shoulders, wrist, elbows, back, spine. Great for you. All right, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.
To learn more, consider attending an Original Strength certification. Visit originalstrength.net to register.